Welcome to the Hilton M. Briggs Library online class on finding books. In this class, we will discuss how to use the SDLN, or South Dakota Library Network, catalog. By the end of this class, you will know what resources can be found in the catalog. You will know how to do a basic search and an advanced search. You will know how to read records in the catalog and use them to determine where an item is located in the library. You will also know how to check your record for what you have checked out and possibly renew those items. There are some places in this tutorial for you to stop and practice what we have gone over. We recommend that you take a couple of minutes and do the exercises provided. To find the library's catalog, from the library's home page at http://www.sdstate.edu/library, click on Find Books in the yellow box. In searching the catalog, you actually have a choice of two interfaces. The interface opened first is called Aqua Browser, and it resembles many online search interfaces. You may also use an interface found under the traditional catalog link. For this class, we'll focus on the Aqua Browser link. In the library's catalog, we will find records for books, government documents, DVDs, journals, some electronic resources, and other types of sources. Aqua Browser opens to a screen with the search field where you can begin searching. When you enter your search, you can use Boolean operators such as and or between your terms. For example, I can search farm and safety to look for resources that discuss both of these concepts. Note that and or must be capitalized in Aqua Browser to work. I can also use a truncation device to facilitate searching for alternate endings for a word. If I use the truncation symbol, an asterisk, after farm, I will search for the terms farm, farms, farmer, and farming, all at the same time. Once I've executed my search, I see that I retrieved 95 results. At the top of the page, the number of each type of resource I've retrieved is listed, including books, e-books, microfilm, magazines, journals, newspapers, and video recordings. I can click on any of the icons here and it will limit my result list to the category of resource. I'll click on the book icon and my results list changes to 59 results and all the displayed entries will be for books. I can go back to my original search by clicking on the search terms at the top of the page. A graphic word cloud on the left pane suggests terms that are related to my search. In order to see this graphic, you will need the Flash software loaded on your computer. If you do not have Flash, the words will appear in a list. You can use words in this graphic to modify your search, or you can click on any of the words to conduct a new search. Let's see what happens if I add the term regulation to my search. I'll use the AND Boolean operator plus my term. By adding another search term with AND, I've narrowed my search. I've retrieved 5 books, 1 ebook, and a microfilm item, which is down substantially from my search using just the first 2 terms. If I want to go back to my original search, I can delete my last AND operator and the term regulation and search again. Other ways to refine my search are available in the right pane. You can see that I can limit by author, language, range or date, person, region, time period, etc. If I just want more recent sources, I can use the range limiter. I see that if I limit to the last 2 years, I will have 10 results in my list. I'll try that limiter now. Notice that my original search and the limiter I've chosen are displayed at the top of the page. I can also use the Sorted By pull-down menu to change the order of my results. The default is to display the results by relevance. I'll choose the year option. Now my results are displayed with the most current entries at the top. From our discussion, you can see that the library's catalog offers many options for changing and refining your search. Please remember that you may need to change the search terms you are using to retrieve information relevant to your search. For today's practice, connect to the library's catalog. You can do this by opening a new tab or window in your browser. Remember that you can connect to the catalog by navigating to the library's homepage at http://www.sdstate.edu/library and clicking on Find Books on the right-hand side of the page. Enter the search Celebrate with an asterisk and Culture. How many results did you retrieve? Use one of the refining options in the right pane to narrow your search. Try a search of your own. Enter terms for a topic that interests you. When you are ready, proceed to Module 2.